What's going on? Pat Kanamu is a Thai-style gailan stir-fry recipe. Thais call gailan kana, also known as Chinese broccoli or Chinese kale. Very popular in Thai stir-fries. It's super nutritious and easy to make. So if the lower stems are tough, cut the tough parts and peel off the skin. You can use any cut of pork that you choose. Today we're using pork belly. We like to use pork fat in our stir fries, but feel free to use your own cooking oil. Add in your garlic when the pork is a little brown. Okay, add some fish sauce. Some sugar. Light soy sauce, and your oyster sauce. Oh, it smells amazing. Serve it with some hot steamed rice. You got the perfect meal. There you have it. Pat Kanamu. Quick and easy gailan stir-fry recipe. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, everyday Thai cooking. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos. We'll see you guys next time.